number one truck CB sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Jimmie in Tennessee on his Lincoln 2 Plus. Jimmie, you blew both finals. The driver is still good. We swapped all those out with some matching and did our tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. So let's show what we got here. Our power all the way down, 50 watt slug. There's your 1 watt, so you're plenty low. You got full adjustability running amp. 10 or 11 all the way up to show your average power swing. Audio. About 27 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. About 53 peak. Alright, Jimmie, it's ready to come back to you, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.